The federal concept, there's another tax called generation skipping transfer tax. This is a super complicated tax, and I just want to introduce you to the concept of it so you can identify it and you could say, oh yeah, I've heard of GST, generation skipping transfer tax. Along the lines of a gift, right? If you make a gift, now you want to talk about, okay, if I make a gift, what happens? You utilize your exemption, right? But if I make a gift to you and then to my kid, and then that kid makes a gift to their kid, so that's my grandchild, right? Maybe I'll be smart and I'll just say, you know what? I don't want to have to pay gift tax twice. I'm just going to make a gift to my grandchild, right? And avoid that whole thing and skip a generation and make the gift directly to the grandchild. So the IRS got wise to that. And they said for anybody who's 37 and a half years younger than the person who makes the gift, that's going to be subject to a whole different system called the generation skipping transfer tax. You have your own exemption for that too, another 12,920,000. And again, this is just a federal concept, not a state concept. And so this follows, when you make gifts, you can allocate the gift, you can allocate your GST exemption and then avoid this tax because it's a whopper. It's 40% tax if you don't allocate it or if you used it during your lifetime. Okay. Now, there's some considerations that you have when you're gifting. There's pros to gifting. Right now there's an increased exemption, so why not use it, right? You save estate tax on your family tax by gifting now. By gifting now, all the appreciation on that asset is out of your estate too, so that's a bonus. And you're benefiting future generations. They're having more now. And like I said, you can allocate your GST, that generation skipping transfer tax, and save additional tax. But there are cons, right? So you have to weigh them. When you give it away, it's not yours anymore, right? So you lose control, you lose the income from it, and then you can't share. If that asset then gets sold, that money doesn't come back to you because you've gifted it away, right? So that's something that's, control is a big deal. When you talk to your clients, they say, oh yeah, this is a good idea, I want to do this. But then when they realize how much control they have to lose, sometimes they may not do it. They may not pull the trigger. Now,